falling down like whispers from the sky. Golden dreams beneath my feet, the seasons say goodbye. Coffee in my hand, the air so still and kind. Your memory lingers softly in my mind. Every breeze reminds me how it used to feel when laughter painted colors that were real. Oh, autumn, you bring me back again to moments I thought would never end. The firelight glows, the daylight fades, and love still dances through the shades. Autumn, my old friend in laws. Scarves and stories echo through the town. Footsteps on the wooden road, leaves tumbling down. Time keeps turning, but my heart still stays.